Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Nirsu's Media. Myself Mallikarjun Nirsu and I'm sharing the Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction with Bank Nifty analysis and Nifty analysis for tomorrow on daily basis. So first of all, I would like to request to all the viewers, if you want to see all the video you can watch. Otherwise, if you are looking for the Nifty analysis for tomorrow or Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction, you can see the time stamps in the description. You can directly jump into there directly without watching the all the video. Okay, and I request you to please click on the like button and share this video to friends and family members and well-wishers, and I request you to please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon once you get the subscribe. Thank you so much for understanding. So now let's jump into the market. Today the expiry day, so on today, that is of 18 March 2021, Nifty 50 has lost 163 points and has ended at 14,557 points, which is of 1.11%. Nifty Bank has lost 372 points and has ended at 33,856 points, which is of 1.09%. Nifty Next 50 has lost 409 points. Nifty Midcap has lost 91 points, and Nifty Financial Services has lost 128 points. If you see the top, who are the advances and declines under the Nifty 50 are, Nifty 50 has 17 advances and 33 declines. Let us see the top 5 gainers and losers of the Nifty 50. So top 5 gainers for Nifty are today, ITC has gained 3.99%, Bajaj Auto has gained 2.94%, Hindalco has gained 1.95%, Dasim has gained 1.82%, and Bharti Airtel has gained 1.50%. If you see the top 5 losers for the Nifty 50 for today, HCL Tech has lost 3.47%, Infi has lost 3.26%, Divis Lab has lost 3%, Dr. Reddy has lost 2.89%, and Hero MotoCorp has lost 2.45%. Let us see who has contributed majorly for the downfall of the Bank Nifty today. It's almost 1,000 points, because 1,000 points because the Bank Nifty has opened as a gap up. Hence, the 1,000 points is going to be it's a downfall today for the Bank Nifty. Let us see who has contributed majorly for this downfall of the Bank Nifty. So today, the downfall of the Bank Nifty was happened majorly because of ICICI Bank has contributed 140 points for the downfall of the Bank Nifty. Kotak Bank has contributed 99 points for the downfall of the Bank Nifty. Axis Bank has contributed 49 points for the downfall of the Bank Nifty, and HDFC Bank has contributed 42 points for the downfall of the Bank Nifty. Majorly, these 4 banks has contributed for the downfall of the Bank Nifty today, and in the last few minutes, there is a upside of the Bank Nifty because some positive vibes has came from this RBL and HDFC Bank, because HDFC Bank is not that much of uh, fully contributed for the downfall. If HDFC Bank has also lost majorly, then we may see 1,000 point and that 1,000 points of the downfall today. Okay, majorly these 4 banks has contributed for the downfall of the Bank Nifty. If you want to see who has gone in the middle of the market, if you want to see whether you are unpredictable, you can check ICICI Bank or HDFC Bank, because these 2 banks majorly contribute for the upside or the downfall of the Bank Nifty. At any time, if you see any downfall of these downfall in these 2 banks, that is of ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank, you can immediately turn off your trade, or you can switch over the trade to CE to PE or PA to CE. Okay, hope you understand this. Now let me share the results of the given news yesterday for today's trade. Yesterday Nifty has closed at 14,709 points, and today Nifty has opened at 14,855 points, and I have given the buy call at 14,800 like that, and it was opened above level, and it little bit of downfall and sideways happens here. And finally our sell call was triggered at 14670. I given the sell call at 14670, so it was triggered at 1 o'clock to 1:30. So we had made it low of 14479. So hope you guys book at least 200 points in our sell call in our PE. I'm giving the levels based on the technical analysis, not on any assumptions. Okay, this is for kind information for to get. I'm showing the results for to gain the confidence on my levels to you for to take the trade tomorrow. Okay. At the same way, if you see the Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty has closed yesterday. It was closed at 34,140. I have given the buy call at 34,300 like that, 350. But today the Bank Nifty was opened at 34,570. Let us assume we have taken the buy call at 34,600 and we made a high of 34,759. At least 100 points you may I assume you book the profit here, and there is a sideways happens in between. As I said, from 34,700, 34,800, there is a sideways, or the reversal may happen. As I said, the reversal was happened here and sideways happens, and finally the Bank Nifty has turned into the red. So our sell call was triggered. Our sell call was also triggered here at 33,900, 960. So and we made a low of 33,600, 601 points today. At least hope you guys at least book 200, 300 points in our Bank Nifty analysis, Bank Nifty views which was given yesterday for today's trade. If you really book the profit or loss, I request you to please mention in the comment box so that others can also view the comments and they may get the confidence on the views which was given by me. Okay, so thanks for the commenters who are commenting below. So now let us jump into the Nifty analysis for tomorrow, that is of 19th March 2021. So today Nifty 50 has closed at 14,583 points. Okay, and our buy call will be activated at Nifty, and our buy call under the Nifty analysis for tomorrow for Nifty 50 buy call will be activated at 14,630 points. For the Nifty target for tomorrow, 14,690, 14,730, 14,780, 14,830, 14,850, 14,890 and 14,950. These are the buy views, buy call for Nifty 50 tomorrow. So if the market goes on positive mode, you can take these levels. Let us say example, today Nifty 50 has closed at 14,583. Let us assume if the Nifty 50 has opened above this our buy level, which is of 14,630. Let us assume it was opened at 14,650. Then you may wait till it crosses this level, our first target, which is of 14,690, and then you can take the trade above this. And like the same way, if it is above this, above the second target, above the first target, it was opened in the gap up. So let us wait till it crosses this second target, and then you can take the trade above this second target of second Nifty target of tomorrow. Okay, like the same way, like this way you can trade. Okay, so once it opens either gap up or gap down, just wait for few minutes and let us cross the our first level, first target, and then if it is still on the positive mode, then positive mode or negative mode, then you can take the trade, otherwise leave it. Okay, don't interfere, don't lose your capital without making such decisions. Okay, now if the Nifty 50 has crossed has on the negative side, so let us assume if the Nifty 50 has continues its the downfall, and our sell call will be activated for the Nifty analysis for tomorrow. So sell call will be activated at 14,530 for the target of 14,490, then 14,460, 14,430, 14,400, 14,360, 14,330, 14,300, and then 14,250, 260. Okay, these are the sell calls for tomorrow under Nifty 50. As I said, if it opens under gap down, if the bank Nifty 50 has opened below this level, which is of 14,530 here, if it opens at 14,500, just wait till it crosses the first target, and then if the Nifty 50 is still under the first target, then you can take the trade. Otherwise, wait for the another bounce and come back again, then only you can take. Okay, hope you guys noted down my levels. If you don't note it down, I request you to please replay this video and watch again and note down these levels, and be stick to the levels which was given by me, because I'm giving the analysis based on the technical analysis, not on any assumptions. The market has to fall under our level only. Okay, as I said, 14,400 is the crucial level. See, from 14,478 the bank Nifty has crosses again, has bounces again back. If you see this is the major support area here. See here, that is of 26th February. Also it is the same level, which is same level 14,470, and then today it was on the same level. Okay, so these are the bank Nifty 50 levels for tomorrow. For the Nifty option buyers, our Nifty option prediction for tomorrow would be, once the Nifty 50 has crosses this level, which is of 14,630, he can take the strike price of 14,700 CE, and at the same time, if the Nifty 50 has crosses this level, which is of 14,530, he can buy the strike price of 14,450 PE. So our Nifty 50 prediction option prediction for tomorrow would be 14,450 PE and 14,700 CE. Okay, now let me share the Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow with Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty today, Bank Nifty was closed at 33,912 points. Okay, 33,912 points today it was closed. So let us assume if the Bank Nifty opens on the positive mode, so our Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction with Bank Nifty analysis would be, our buy call will be activated at 34,260 for the target of 34,360, 34,450, 34,580, 34,650, 34,750, 34,850, 34,950, 35,000, and 35,120, and very low level, very chances of less, which is of 35,220, because 1,000 points will not go up. We can't predict. 1,000 points go up, then you can be a golden basket, you are in a golden basket. So these are the Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow for the buy side. So our buy call will be activated at 34,250 for the final target of 35,250. Okay, let us assume if the Bank Nifty continues its downfall, so our sell call will be activated for tomorrow, that is of 19 March 2021, sell call will be activated for Bank Nifty or 33,730 for the target of for the Bank Nifty target of 33,640, 33,530, 33,380, 33,250, 33,120, 32,905, 32,900, 32,670. So these are the Bank Nifty sell calls for tomorrow. Our sell call will be activated at 33,730 for the Bank Nifty targets of 33,640, 540, 450, like that. If you haven't noted down these Bank Nifty levels for to trade tomorrow, I request you to please replay this video and note down these levels and be stick to the levels which was given by me, because I'm giving the Bank Nifty analysis based on the technical analysis, not on any assumptions, because the Bank Nifty, anything has to fall under our levels only, because we are giving the views based on the technical analysis. Okay. And here the major resistance will be happened at around 34,800. Once the Bank Nifty crosses the level of 34,800, 34,600, 34,800, then you will see the positive vibes. Till then there may be a sideways like this, like today there may be a sideways or downfall again happen. So it has to cross this level of 34,800. Okay, if you see the major support here, today it was closed at from the major support, because see here it may exactly bounces back from here, which is of this today, which is of, see, on 2nd February it was opened from here, and again it was opened, it was bounced back from here. So for to get the downfall again, this gap has to be filled first, which is of 33,600 to 33,300. So suppose if tomorrow the Bank Nifty has made a gap down and it was of 33,250, 34,350, then you can take the, you are in a good chance of going fall again, a big downfall. Otherwise there may be, if it opens at around 100 points, 50 points, or 150 points gap down or anything, so there may be chances of sideways between this level from 33,600 to 33,300. As I always said, you must be very careful when you're taking the trade. So we can't predict the market in advance. Okay, so let me share the Bank Nifty option prediction for tomorrow. So option prediction, Bank Nifty option prediction, once the Bank Nifty has crosses this level, which is of 34,260, he or she can buy the strike price of 34,400 CE, and at the same time, if the Bank Nifty has crosses this level, which is of 33,740, then he can buy the strike price of 33,600 PE. So our Bank Nifty option prediction for tomorrow would be 33,600 PE and 34,400 CE. Okay, hope you guys noted down these levels. Which whoever not noted down these levels, I request you to please replay this video and watch this video and note down these levels and be stick to the levels which was given today. As a SL, stop loss for every trade, I request you to please put the 1% stop loss of your trade value. Okay, this is my suggestion. It's up to you. If you want to make a higher stop loss, you can take. If you want to make a stop loss as a small, you can put it as your wish. But as a practice, you should keep a stop loss at any trade. It will give you much benefit and to trade good, and you can save your capital when the market reverses. Okay, hope you guys like my video. Please click on the like button and share this video to friends and family members and well wishers, and I request you to please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon once you get the subscribe button to get the notification when I post the updates. Thank you so much. Bye.